get my new tires mounted. I actually just got some new tires, and they're like a hybrid tire, so it'd be a lot better for cross country. It's like a 50-50 tire, which is gonna be amazing. I am so ready for some dope adventures coming up. It's gonna be so much fun. Right now we're in like the fall spring, which kind of sucks. It's only warm for a couple of weeks and then it's gonna cool down again. But today's the first day back on the bike and I'm so excited. I'm so happy, dude. I've been missing this thing so much. We've done so much of this, so much of this thing. It's awesome. I'm so happy. Everybody's waving because I got the full American fit on right now, which is dope as hell, I must say. Why are you lugging? I feel like I'm not putting it all the way in gear, which is feels like it's like doing something odd. Maybe it's just because I haven't rode it in a minute, but I can't really tell. Oh dude, it feels so nice. Currently 70 degrees. Nice and warm. It's awesome, bro. Got a couple of projects in the works, which is gonna be fun. A lot of camping trips. Now that this thing is actually set up for moto camping. Yeah, this thing's all set up. We got all the bags, everything else. The only other thing I need to do right now is I need to put on the bags. They're not the bags, the gas tank. I got a brand new gas tank that's 3.6 gallons instead of the 1.6 that comes stock, I think is what it is. Oh man, dude, I miss this thing so much. Oh, it feels so glorious after so many months of it being cold. And I'm just gonna have to put it right back up. Figured I'd go on ahead and ride it today though. I just want to ride, man. I got so excited I forgot to put on my protection. Oh dude, this is so freeing. I love this. Oh dude, it is so beautiful out today, brother mine. Brother! I'm so happy. Hold me now. I'm 6 feet from the edge and I'm thinking maybe 6 feet ain't so far down. I don't want to scare the horses. That guy did not know what he was doing. He got an e-bike. All the cars behind him was crazy. I have missed you guys so much. so very grateful for everybody that watches these videos, for real. Ooh. Ooh. But I'm seriously grateful for each and every one of you guys. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, really blows my mind. In just a couple of months, I've gained so many viewers and followers. I do not miss riding on these tires on the road. They're kind of horrible, to be honest with you. They're way too, like, aggressive for street use. It just feels so foreign to be back on a bike after all this time. But it is so glorious, dude. Yeah, brother! Good job, brother! Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my God. I love it. Oh. It literally got like 5 degrees colder after the sun dipped down just a little bit. It's getting a little bit chilly, but not like horrible. I smell dank. This car in front of me, I feel, is smoking that dank. That's all I can smell right now. Dude, I'm so ready to get out from behind this car, dude. I feel like I'm getting contact high just being behind it. All I can smell is the koosh, man. I'm lost in the sauce. I got 2 microphones in each cheek pad, so like, I can't clench my jaw. Might figure something else out. This car reeks, bro. Car reeks, man. Ooh, that smell. I can smell your dankness. Oh, why is it so stinky? Whatever I do not hit that curb. Ah! Pebbles! Oh, this is scary. I don't know if I like this anymore. I want to go home. Careful, careful, careful. Bro, I can't chug at like 20 miles an hour, come on. I was pedaling with them. Almost just stalled.
No, school trip right now. I reckon I'll just head towards my house.
Okay.
Sorry we couldn't ride here much longer.
You good, man?
We can definitely meet up this weekend and like actually plan out a ride.
Alright.
You know where
Well, it's supposed to rain this weekend.
oh damn, that's right.
Yeah.
Alright, well maybe we can figure something out another day this week.
Hell yeah.
Alright, be safe, bro.
Alright, we'll see you. Swear to God, he done took all my Creed albums.
Those just Pall Malls and Keystone. I hate that guy.
We'll see you, buddy.
Careful.
I will. I just realized I was not recording for most of that ride, which sucks. Unless it was recording and then it stopped, I don't know. I'll probably just go the back way. Dude, come on now. It's so cold! Oh God, it's so cold! Gotta watch out for the deer! We've seen some earlier. Dude, whatever keeps smacking my helmet is making me mad. Yeah, but we've seen some deer earlier. But of course I wasn't recording. Oh, I hate that. I wish I was recording. You guys missed Logan's Sick Willie. Dude, what is that? Hey Siri. Come on, dude. I just want to listen to my music. Hey Siri. Continue music. Oh man, that sunset looks gorgeous. Oh, she chugging. Yeah, don't do that. Whoa. What are we? Let me get these goggles off. I can't see anything. This is where I'm going to end off the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'm out of here, and I am very blessed for the continued support with you guys showing me all the love and the views and stuff. And we got a lot of projects coming up that we're going to do. First, it's got to warm up. I just wanted to give you a little taste of what we're going to be doing. Alright, I'll see you guys. Later, everybody.